What's up, guys? So we are back with another video. As you can see, well, as you probably can't see yet, but I sold the Benz. I got, I think, roughly $1,600 out of it, which was double what I paid for it, which is fine with me. 200% is amazing to me right now. So as long as I can keep flipping, I'm doing okay. So I got that going. I've got a new vehicle here. My buddy Vadim dropped it off, I think maybe Thursday. So it's here. And yeah, so it is an American-made product. I don't know how good that is, especially with the vehicles, man. They kind of suck generally, but it is an American-made product, and we're going to give this one a go and see how it does. It is this. So what you're looking at is a 2008 Jeep Patriot. I think it's the Sport Edition. It's in decent shape for a general, copart auction car. I think we gave $800 for it. The door hinge is screwed, but this is a pretty decent car. It's pretty clean. Doesn't look too bad at all. I've actually got it here at the car wash so we can wash it. Oh man, that sounded terrible. Check this out. That might explain that there. Looks like we're going to need a hinge. The exhaust is hanging because it does look like they hit something here. So, as you can see, the exhaust is hanging down there. When I got the car, it would run, it would move, but it wouldn't really go anywhere. It was in like a limp mode. First thing I actually did was pull the codes on it, and it had a code for like the intake air control valve or whatever that is. I unplugged it, and now it runs perfect. So I'm just going to replace that this week, and yeah, gonna get this thing cleaned up. Gonna fix some of the little issues it has. I'm gonna get the exhaust back pulled up. Looked like the hanger, like the little, I guess you'd call it like the hanger grommet that holds it. It looked like it was still there, but it wasn't attached. So maybe we could jack that up and just attach that grommet, and it'll hold it. But besides that, and maybe a little interior detail, this thing should be pretty much ready to go. I've got to air up the tires because it looks like they are sagging like a pair of, no, never mind, I'm not gonna say that. But they are sagging pretty bad. So we are gonna do that, and I might paint the wheels or something black just to make them look better and put it up for sale. It does have high mileage, 220,000 miles, but hey, you know, this will be a good car for someone to beat around in or whatever. So yeah, let's get it cleaned up. I am not washing it myself. I am taking it through a automatic car washer, and then we are going to vacuum it out, and that's all I'm doing. Guess we can do a start up here. Woo-wee. I'm not even gonna lie, it doesn't smell too terrible in here, but one thing that I did notice is it does look like this car was owned by a pothead probably. But everything looks pretty good in here. It's pretty straight. There are little I probably need to clean that out before I get arrested or something. But yeah, so I guess we'll go ahead and get this thing washed up, and then we will clean her out and see how she cleans up.
You have purchased the works wash. You pay for the wash.
Please drive forward.
Sick.
Please drive forward.
It's literally, I would say, probably 40 degrees maximum, which sucks. It's usually not this cold here, but it is cold, and the heat in this thing is pretty good, might I add. So yeah, I'm not complaining one bit. But yeah, let's see how this thing looks when it gets done. So I do want to add that I do have a pretty good new plan. My main focus and main goal for doing this the car flipping thing is because I've been doing this for probably, I don't even know, man, probably since high school. I've been buying and selling cars and doing this like that. But my goal is to go from one every 2 or 3 months to 3-4 a month. Maybe roll that into a used car dealership, kind of like flying wheels and stuff like that. Yeah, so the goal is definitely to do something kind of like Flying Wheels did, and turn my flippage into a dealership. That's kind of my plan. I would like that to happen. So I've just been kind of doing it right and trying to take my time with it. I haven't invested any more of my money into this. It's all been off car sales and stuff like that. So my plan is to continue doing it this way, and to see if we can keep it going this way, man, because I'd much rather do it this way and see kind of what happens than investing a ton of money or trying to take out a loan to do this, because I would much rather just do it the old-fashioned way and kind of get it out the mud than just take out a loan and do something. So if you know me, I don't do loans, I don't do none of that. So I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna do it right, and hopefully it pays off. So now I'm gonna clean this joker out. So we are back. I'm driving this thing home from the car wash. This thing drives really well. Surprisingly, I didn't expect it to be this good. It does need a little bit of love, but it doesn't overheat or anything crazy. Runs really good. So yeah, this thing's pretty great. So next we've got to I really want to paint the wheels. I've never painted a set of wheels, but I really want to try it. And I think this would be the right candidate to do it. Maybe paint them just like a dark gray or black or something like that, you know, something to make this little thing a little bit more Jeepier, if that's even a word, but just a little bit more nicer, because the wheels are pretty chipped, and yeah, I just want it to look a little bit better. But this thing runs really good, man. Someone's gonna get an awesome car. Clean title, 220,000 miles. Yeah, so I think this is gonna be a good one for someone.